Why are you looking at Daddy? He don't care about you.
He knows he's not supposed to be in the room.
Oh yeah. That's right. He's cute, huh?
Hi.
He's like, but I give attention. Alright, you gotta go back. Go backwards. Go backwards. Go backwards. Go backwards. There you go. Oh my god, you're so cute. You're smart. You're smart, Daddy. You're smart. Ooh, good stand. It's funny, huh? Sit. Nope. Go backwards again. Go back. Good boy. And he had a nut.